Hey guys, hope so you will be fine. So far we have covered a lot of topics like switch statements, conditional statements, operators. We have covered a lot of basic topics and major things about Java. Now let's dive into another topic which is array. This is also a very important topic. So let's dive into it. First of all, what is array? Array is actually same as variable, but it can store more than one values. Okay, it is also a variable, but it can store more than one values. You will remember that I had told you that a variable can store only one value. Like if I declare like int a equals to 10, so this a will just contain 10. If I will try to store 10 and 11 both in a, then that is not possible. Okay, but in array we can store a lot of values in a single variable. Okay, we will declare a single variable, okay, but we will add a lot of values, whatever how much I can we want, we can store that, and we will access all of those elements. Okay, so array is a variable which can store more than one values, but they all should be of same data type. Okay, this is the condition. They all should be of same data type. Like if I have to store 10 values in a, I have I then I it is must that I must need to store they all should be int. If I'm gonna storing string values, then they all should be of string. Okay, all the values should be of same data type. Okay, like if I want to store two values of double and two values of int in a single variable a, then that is not possible. Okay, then let's start with the declaration of array. Let me tell you the first method. There are a lot of methods. Okay, I will go over simple one. There are a lot of methods for the declaration of array. I will tell you them in some other video. Okay, let's start with the basic one. The basic one is int, and then the square brackets, then the name of my array. Okay, name of my array could be anyone. Like right now I'm using my array. Okay, it could be anyone. My array is equals to, then curly brackets, and then here I will type the values. Like I am gonna store 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, these five values are stored in a single variable named my array. Okay, they all are int data type, so that's why I have told that they all are int data type. This is the first method of declaration. There are many more methods. Okay, like there is a method with the keyword new, but as I had not told you anything about new, so I won't use that right now. We will use that in some other video when I will tell you about the new keyword. Right now we will use this method. Okay, this is an easy one and also preferable one. Okay, uh, next thing is that how to access all of these elements. Like if I want to access 30, then how we can access it? That access, we can access it by using its index number. Index number is actually the value that is stored. Like always in array, the first index number is 0. Array first index number is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4. Okay, it goes in all the sequence. Like if I want to access 20, then I will write system. I want to print now. Okay, then system.out.println, same. Then I will write my array, like name of my variable, and then curly brackets, and then 0. So this 0 is the location of this 10. Okay, so I will get 10 answer here. Let me run it. We will get, it's here, it is 10. Okay, if I want to access 40, where it is 0, 1, 2, 3, it's a third location, so I will write 3. Now run it and we will get 40. Okay, so I will get 40 answer. Here we are going to access the elements of array by using its index number. Now the question arises that how I can access all of these elements simultaneously at a time. Okay, that is done by using loop, for loop. I had already told you about that, so let me just use it here. For, okay, and let me declare a variable index. Let's do it index. You can use I. Index equals to, let's start with 0 because first index is always 0. Then the condition is that index should be less than equal to less than 4. Okay, I have 4 values here. Like index number varies from 0 to 4. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So I am going to access all of these by using index less than 4. And then next condition is index plus plus, like it will start incrementing its value. Okay, and then I am going to write the print statement, system.out.println, and then what I have gonna accessing, I am gonna accessing my value, my array, and then index. So it will automatically get the value of index and it will show you the exact value. So let's run it. And here it is. I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, all of these values. Why I didn't get 4, 50? I have to use equal symbol here. So it will check, obviously it will check for 4 now. Here we got 50 answer. Hope so you will get my point. And if you have any query, ask me in the comment section. I'll try to solve those queries. Thank you so much for watching.